Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through a required step to send money from Apple Pay Cash to PayPal. So to get started with the guide on how you can easily work it around by sending money from your Apple Pay Cash to PayPal. And here's a key important note which is very important. There is no direct transfer from your Apple Pay Cash to PayPal, but you can move the money in two different steps, which I'm going to walk you through those steps. So let's get started. So the first step is to transfer Apple Pay Cash to your bank. So open your iPhone, then open your wallet app, then tap your Apple Cash card, then tap the three dot icon, then tap transfer to your bank. Then enter the amount you want to transfer, tap next, then choose instant transfer. Then once that is done, then confirm your account and your Face ID or Touch ID. After that, now wait for funds to hit your bank account. Then the other step, which is step 2, is to add funds from your bank to PayPal. So open your PayPal app, then open the PayPal and log into your account. Then tap the wallet at the bottom, then tap add money. Then choose the bank account you transfer Apple Cash to, then enter the amount, then add, then tap add. Then the money will show in your PayPal balance once it's clear, and this actually takes between 3 to 5 days for standard transfer. And that's it. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.